This Jamaican curry goat recipe is flavorful and authentic. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to make it. So now that all the dry seasoning is added, it's time to mix it up. I'm using a fork right now, but feel free to use gloves so it does not stain your hands and your fingers, because once it gets on your fingers, it's really hard to get off. Okay, now that that's out of the way, it's time to do the cooking. So I'm adding in my oil right now. Make sure that your oil is hot. And the next thing you'll do, you'll add some more curry powder. So as you saw earlier, I added curry powder on the actual goat meat, and I also added some in my oil. So that's a two-step process. Make sure you always do that. Okay guys, one important thing to note, make sure your heat is always on medium. You do not want this to be high, because you have to make sure that in addition to adding water, the steam cooks the curry goat, and you'll know when this is ready because the meat is going to be falling off the bone. So as you can see right now, it's not ready, but it's on medium heat, and this will be cooking for like another hour or so, because I do like a slow cook for my curry goat. That will make sure the spices and the herbs are really infused by the time it's ready. So now I'm adding some more water, 2 cups of water. But once you make sure you cook it on medium, you won't have an issue with the frequency of adding water, because this is the only time I add 2 cups of water.
It's really looking good.